Are you ready to dive into the world of minimalist smartphones? Well, hold on to your seats because the Minimal Phone 2 has just been teased, and it's a game changer. Imagine a sleek, compact device that challenges the status quo of modern smartphones. What makes this reveal so intriguing is the unique direction the Minimal company is taking with their second-generation device. First off, the Minimal Phone 2 is all about that QWERTY physical keyboard. In a world dominated by touchscreen keyboards, this is a bold move. But here's the twist: they've improved the keyboard from the first generation, making it even more appealing to those who crave that tactile typing experience. Personally, I've always been a fan of physical keyboards, and it's refreshing to see a modern smartphone embracing this classic design. Now, let's talk about the display. The original Minimal Phone had an e-ink display, which was perfect for reducing screen time and avoiding mindless scrolling. But in a surprising move, the Minimal Phone 2 swaps this for an OLED panel. This is a significant change because it opens up a whole new world of possibilities. Users can now watch videos, play games, and scroll through Instagram with ease. But it also raises an interesting question: will this shift towards a more traditional display defeat the original purpose of minimizing distractions? Another fascinating detail is the phone's design. It's smaller than its predecessor, which is a welcome change for those who prefer compact devices. The aluminum body adds a premium feel, and the front-facing camera has been moved to a more conventional position above the display. These design choices show that Minimal is listening to feedback and refining their product. One thing that immediately stands out is the lack of an audio jack. This might be a deal-breaker for some, especially those who rely on wired headphones. But it's a trend we're seeing across the industry, and it's likely that Minimal is prioritizing a sleeker design and water resistance. From my perspective, it's a trade-off that many users will accept, especially with the rise of wireless audio solutions. The Minimal Phone 2 also supports 5G, which is a significant upgrade. This suggests a more powerful processor under the hood, and potentially better performance overall. It's a necessary step forward to keep up with the competition and ensure the phone remains relevant in today's fast-paced tech landscape. What many people don't realize is that this phone is not just about the hardware. The software experience is equally important. Minimal has promised improvements for a faster and smoother user interface. This is crucial because a minimalist phone should excel in responsiveness and efficiency. As we eagerly await more details, I can't help but wonder how the Minimal Phone 2 will stack up against its competitors. Will it find its niche in a market dominated by touchscreen giants? In my opinion, this phone is for those who appreciate a no-nonsense, efficient smartphone experience. It's for the digital minimalists who want to stay connected without getting sucked into the endless void of social media and mobile gaming. So, is the Minimal Phone 2 the ultimate minimalist smartphone? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, it's a bold statement in a world of increasingly similar smartphones. Stay tuned, as we'll soon uncover more secrets about this intriguing device.